Hello everyone, I am here to teach you basic English grammar for beginners. Let's practice transitive and intransitive verbs with me. What is verb? Verb expresses about an action which is done by a noun. Is verb. Basically, two types of verbs are there. First one is transitive and second one is intransitive. Transitive verb is a verb that has an object that receives the action of the verb. Is transitive verb. For example, he crossed the road. Here the road is an object and crossed is a verb and he is a subject. It is a doer of an action. The road object is a receiver of an action. It is a verb crossed. He crossed the road. Here object is there after the verb. So it is a transitive verb. Okay, it is clear. If a statement contains object, it is a transitive verb. Then how we can find whether it is object or not? We can find object by framing a question with what and whom. Let's try. He crossed the road. So now I am framing a question with what? What does he crossed? Now I am getting the answer. Here the road. So it is a transitive verb. Let's see another example. We speak English. Now I am framing a question with what? What do we speak? I am getting the object as an answer. English. So it is a transitive verb. In some cases, some transitive verbs like give, ask, promise, tell, or will always take two objects, direct object and indirect object. Direct objects mostly things and indirect objects mostly person. For example, she gave me a gift. In this example, two objects are there. Me is indirect object, a gift is direct object. Two objects are important to give the complete information. Without direct object, it will not give complete information. See once, without direct object, she gave me. What does she given you? It is not giving the complete information. So two objects are important in some cases for transitive verbs. Second type of verb is intransitive verb. Intransitive verb is a verb that doesn't require any object to complete its meaning. It's called intransitive verb. If a verb has no object, it is an intransitive verb. For example, he works hardly. He works hardly. In this example, there is no object. Here, hardly is there, but is an adverb. We can also find whether it is object or not by framing a question with what and whom. Let's see. What does he work? We are not getting the answer hardly. Then we'll try with whom. Whom does he work? Here also we are not getting answer with whom. Then we'll get hardly as an answer by framing a question with how. How does he work? Hardly. But we didn't get any answer by framing a question with what and whom. So it is not a transitive verb. It is an intransitive verb. Let's see another examples. She plays. She writes. They jumped. So in this example, this statement end with verb. If the statement end with verbs or adverbs or adjective, it is an intransitive verb. She plays. In this example, there is no object. She writes. In this example, there is no object. So in these three examples, there is no objects. So it is an intransitive verb. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos.